Ahead of the swearing-in ceremony in Andhra Pradesh, there has been a scuffle. Tensions are running high there in the region. TDP, BJP, Janasena cadre clashed with cops. Cops set up barricades. The cadre has objected to the barricading there, and then a scuffle broke out. These are the cadres of the party that's set to take oath with the leaders at about 11:30 a.m. We are told that the police had set up barricades at the Eluru district. These are the latest visuals on your screen. The cadre was not happy with the barricading that was being done. But what led to the police to take that as a precautionary measure that they had set up these barricades, and why would it lead to scuffle? We'll get some details coming in on this, but these are the visuals on your screen. This is specifically, we are told, is Eluru district, and it is possible that there are some arrangements being made with regard to security issues, but the cadre, the supporters of these parties, the TDP, BJP, Janasena cadre, not too happy with the sort of arrangement and barricading that has been done. Was it because it was blocking traffic, blocking movement? We'll try and get more details on that. But you can see that the tensions are running high in that region. So that is when, see, it erupted. There was a brief scuffle and a clash with cops. Abdul Bashir is joining me for the latest on that. Abdul, while all eyes are at the swearing-in ceremony, what happened here in Eluru?
Here, you see that in Eluru, the arrangement that were made by the authority has seemed to be lapsing, where several TDP cadres show anger over the police officials after they were not allowed to the swearing-in ceremony. Nearly 10 kilometer long branch can be witnessed in and around the area, a 30-kilometer radius. The swearing-in ceremony is around 30 kilometers, where this particular incident had taken place in Eluru, where police officials are stopping, citing no passage and diverting the traffic to different route, after which the TDP and BJP cadres have shown anger. You see in the videos, they have also been requesting the police officials to allow them to go inside, but the police officials seem to be following strict guidelines or rules, where they have seen not allowing these cadres to move inside. So 10-kilometer long traffic jam at this particular spot where the visuals are shown now, and this seems to continue ahead of a swearing-in ceremony. We are just hours away from the swearing-in ceremony. A big day for the people of Andhra Pradesh, and the people who are approaching the swearing-in ceremony spot seems to be facing difficulties with the authorities citing these kind of arrangements that we can see in the visuals.
All right, so security apparatus there in Eluru is in scuffle for some reason with these supporters. We'll be tracking the latest on that. Abdul, thank you very much for that.